Good luck.
What is up, Garfield Nation? How is it going? That was a cool intro, right? GoldenPlatepic made that for me, so thanks a lot, GoldenPlatepic. You're a real one. If you have something you'd like to submit to the Garfield of the Week universe, feel free. Just email it to weeklygarfield@gmail.com. And, send whatever else you want to that Gmail too, because it's wide open. Happy Sunday, March 24th, 2024. It's been 2024 years since Jesus was born. Fantastic. Have you read today's Garfield? You haven't? Great. That means I get to read it to you, because this is Garfield of the Week. It's that show where I read you Garfield. Most Sundays. Okay, title panel, boring. It's Garfield's face. It's nothing special. It's not a good title panel. However, today's comic is amazing. Real good stuff. The first panel, we got Garfield off screen and he says, "Well, look who it is." And he's talking to a bird standing on a bird bath. Garfield pops in and he says, "Welcome back, old buddy." The bird turns around and says, "Huh?" Garfield says, "I missed you all winter." And the bird says, "Really?" Dude, and then Garfield gives him a little elbow nudge and he's like, "Why, sure. It's just not the same without you around." And the bird is perplexed, surprised. The bird looks at the camera and says, "Gee." And then Garfield caps all this friendliness off by saying, "Hey, come on, how about a hug?" And the bird is delighted. Opens his wings super wide, gets ready for that hug. And then in the last panel, we're back inside the house, and John says to Garfield, "Where have you been?" And Garfield says, "Having lunch with an old buddy." His cheeks are full, presumably of bird. I haven't seen a comic like this in a long time where Garfield is eating a bird. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've seen a good Garfield eating bird comic. I love eating bird, man. Bird, it's one of the best proteins, isn't it? It's probably the best protein. It's versatile, delicious. The marrow, just full of stuff that's good for you. Garfield knows this. There you go. What else do you want today? Good Garfield, right? Well, if you like today's Garfield, please leave a comment. Talk about birds. If you're into eating bird, dude, I love a good bird. There's just nothing better than some good bird. I think I got another video coming out today where I'm going to talk about Plunderstorm a little bit. If you don't know what Plunderstorm is, it's like a new thing that World of Warcraft released. And it is terrible. Go check out that video if you want to learn about Plunderstorm and how I spend my free time other than, thinking about Garfield. Remember to be nice to yourself, be nice to other people. If you're going through some hardship, keep your head up and keep it real. Don't be out there lying to yourself because it's only going to make it harder. All right. Love you guys. Bye.